Hello everyone, welcome to Study Nation. My name is Dinesh Singh and everyone, I am going to start with a new video based on the series Learn Concept through PYQ. Okay, तो यहाँ पे I am going to take the another question which is a set A, question number 18 of NDA 1 2024. So let's see, first we will understand what is a concept, then we will start try to solve some question based on that concept. Okay, so let's see, start करते हैं everyone. Now the question says, what is the remainder when 2 raised to power 120 is divided by 7? Okay. Now everyone, this is the concept of the remainder. Now how to do that? Okay. So let's see first. So understand the concept. So concept says, okay. So let's see the first concept. What it says, so the concept of the remainder says, suppose we are dividing a number a by r, or remainder we are writing ar, remainder of b divided by r, that is known as br. So let's see an example. Okay, whenever divided by a, so suppose we are saying a is a number which we are saying, suppose it's a 42. Okay, b is a number which is what, 31. Okay, r is the value which is a 8. Okay, so what we are going to get first, suppose we are saying ar would be what, remainder when 42 is divided by 8. Okay, if 42 is divided by 8, the remainder would be 2. Clear? Similarly, remainder when b means 31 is divided by 8. So we will say this would be what, 7. Now the remainder theorem says, what the remainder theorem says, if you do the remainder of a plus b divided by r, so what you have to do? You have to do the operation only on the remainder. What is the meaning of that? Suppose we are saying what is the remainder of, so it would be written as remainder ar plus br divided by r. So means if the number is greater than the remainder, again greater than the divisor, again calculate the remainder. Okay, so first ar is what, 2, br is what, 7, which is more than divisor which is 8. So remainder would be what, it would be 9 divided by 8, so 1. So concept says, so whenever you do something, always apply only on the remainder. यानी आपको ऑपरेशन किस पे करना है, रिमाइंडर पे. So plus is the remainder. Suppose somebody write down, so suppose we are saying a minus b divided by r, रिमाइंडर क्या होगा. अब इसमें क्या करना पड़ेगा आपको, सिंपल सा फंडा, we will say remainder when ar minus br divided by 8. So it would be what, it would be what, 2 minus 7 divided by 8 remainder. Now it is a negative value. So kabhi bhi if you get a negative remainder, what is the divisor? Add that thing. So what is the meaning of add? So means you will add minus 5 plus 8, you will get 3. Clear? So means जब भी आपको मिलेगा, अगर वो आपको more than, means if it is a negative number, add the divisor again. Check कीजिए. What we will write down, 42 minus 31, that is what, 11. When 11 is divided by 8, remainder is 3. So that is your answer. 42 plus 31, which is a 73. 73 is divided by 8. 8 9 is 72, so 1 is the remainder. Now, if somebody asks you, just do the remainder when a into b multiplied divided by 8. So what we will write down? We will say ar into br divided by 8. So what is the remainder? First is a 2, then we will say 7 divide by 8. So that would be 14 upon 8. 6 would be the answer. Clear everyone? So I hope you understand the concept. So means whenever we are going to solve the question based on the remainder, we will work only on the remainder. Okay. So let's see. Now the same funda if apply somewhere else. So what is the meaning of that? Let's see. If somebody asks you remainder, okay, 9 divided by 8. So what we are going to get? 1. So remainder 9 into 9 divided by 8. What we are going to get? Again it would be 1 into 1. So multiply on the remainder. So if I will do 9 raised to power anything divide by 8, we will say 1 raised to power k divided by 8, which is a 1. So this is the question which says always if your number is what? Suppose we are saying a number is 1 more than the divisor raised to power anything. So what we are going to get? Work only on the remainder. So it would be what? 1 raised to power n, which is a 1 only. Clear everyone? हमेशा याद रखिए अगर +1 है means you are getting a remainder +1 raised to power anything, it will give you +1. Now same funda if there is a -1. Suppose we are saying 15 divided by 8. So what we are going to get? It would be what? It would be 7. Now again we are doing 7 into 7 divided by 8. Okay, so that would be what? 7, 7, 49. So answer would be 1. Now everyone, what you have to do? What you have to do? Just remember this is another way. If the number is written as AR minus 1 raised to power n upon R. So means it is 1 less than 1 raised to power n. So that would be -1. So -1 means add R if n is odd or 1 if n is even. What is the meaning of that? Suppose 15 divided by 8. So remainder is -1 because it is 16 minus 1. So what the concept says, whenever you are dividing a number -1, which is a 1 more less than the raised to power n, will always give you what? -1 raised to power n using the remainder theorem, and that will give you the answer. Okay. So let's see everyone how we'll do the question. So you can solve any question. So let's come to the concept everyone. So I've told you the basic concept. Now what the concept says? 2 raised to power. So 2 raised to power 120 divided by 7 remainder. Now 2 is what? 2 is less than 7. So find a number which is more than 2. So can I write down 2 raised to power 3? Now why I have taken 2 raised to power 3? Because 2 raised to power 2 is 4, 2 raised to power 3 is 8. And 8 is 1 more than, can I write down it? 2 raised to power 3 into 40 divided by 7. So it will give you what? So my formula will say calculate the remainder 8 divided by 7. So 8 divided by 7 remainder would be 1. 1 raised to power 40 will give you what? 1 only. So your answer would be what? 1. So A is the correct answer. I hope it is clear everyone. So means always try to make, because in NDA question if they ask you the question, always try to find a power which is either 1 more or 1 less. So you will get the answer. So here 8 is 1 more than 7. Clear? Is that clear everyone? So this is all for this lecture everyone. I hope you got the concept. Okay. So do like this video, share it with your friend, and I'm going to come with more amazing video of this type. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join my WhatsApp group as well as Telegram group. So thank you very much everyone. Bye. Take care.